Hi folks, here in this video you're seeing some warp drive of Logan spring, the rim joist of a cellar. This is the best way to put insulation in the rim joist of a cellar. It'll hold up far better than any fiberglass you might put in there. Fiberglass is literally a waste of time and money. Eventually it'll just get eaten up by the mice. It'll be a nasty mess. We slow it down a little bit. You can see the actual application at normal speed. He's just putting in 3 inches of closed cell foam, which is kind of important. You really should use closed cell foam in a rim joist. Basically, he'll be done here in a minute. And this is about, I don't know, about a third of the cellar that he did this morning. Then he's going to go back to it. He's going to spray the walls also. The wall spray is going to be in a separate video. We'll call that part 2. He'll be videoing all that and talking through that with you. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, the like button. It helps other people see our videos, and we'll see you in the next one.